Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And today I came to analyze gold futures and crude oil. So this is the chart showing in Indian currency, and you can also convert your currency because anyway the gold commodity will be basing on USD, and it will travel on the same level, same direction. So coming to the gold futures, it is traveling in the channel and it was broken upside. So and also it is there the Fibonacci it is uh, broken, and also the Fibonacci level is there nearby, and somehow it took resistance and it was crashed. Maybe some profit booking came due to some vaccine news or some news from to the big players, some insider news, and same way it was crashed, and global markets in equity gave upside record. So somehow equity was broken upside, so it may travel to the highs, previous highs, and it may test. I'm hoping so, due to some vaccine news or something. And the gold was broken downside, so anything above 52,300, any closing above that, we can expect gold towards 56,000, and anything downside we can expect towards anything below this level, we can expect towards 49,000 to 49,400 levels, and below that we can expect 47,300 levels. And coming to crude oil, it was broken important Fibonacci level around to 3,000, but it was not broken this Fibonacci level. So anything upside the Fibonacci level 3,200 broken, you can expect towards this level 3,500 previous resistance, around 3,600, and 4,000 we can expect. It's traveling in same level downside, and downside first target will be 2,900 and 2,800, and then this level 2,600, which was taken previously 2 times, and then 2,300. But as corona became our daily habitat, many cases are coming, many are recovering, so maybe the equity will be in bullish side only. So as demand is increasing, the crude oil will also go upside more or less sooner in coming days and coming weeks. So hope for best the upside only. So please like, share, subscribe, and join Telegram channel, friends. Link will be provided in Telegram description. Thank you.